Are you struggling to grow your Amazon sales? You're not alone. Many sellers face the challenge of maximizing profits and visibility. Jungle Scout is the ultimate solution. Our trusted insights and automation tools can transform your business today. Boost your sales with advanced data accuracy. Optimize listings effortlessly and elevate your marketing strategies for stellar reviews. Drive organic traffic by utilizing buyer-centric keywords, leaving competitors in the dust. Monitor keyword ranks and harness insights for a conversion-driven strategy. Join Dan Vass, who credits Jungle Scout for his success in scaling his Amazon FBA business. Imagine increasing your product sales like Wahl brand saw with an 80% surge after implementing competitive insights. Maximize your revenue with the Opportunity Finder and browser extension. Discover trending keywords and lucrative niches with low competition. Experience review automation that supercharges your sales. Customize which products receive review requests and improve your brand's reputation. Just ask Kim M., who increased her reviews from 335 to over 2,000. Gain a clear financial picture with sales and advertising analytics. Instant access to ROI and net margins empowers your decision-making. Our seamless setup and 24/7 global support ensure help is available whenever you need it. Explore Jungle Scout Academy for advanced e-commerce strategies and gain mastery from industry experts. Join over 1 million successful sellers who trust Jungle Scout. Discover the tools, insights, and support you need to accelerate your growth. Get started today.